What if you could get a rugged smartwatch with Garmin-like features, a built-in flashlight, and solid battery life, all at a much lower price? This is the new Polar Street X, and honestly, it might be one of the smartest budget smartwatches of 2026. Let's quickly see what's new, what you get, and whether it's actually worth buying. What's new? Polar is clearly going after a wider audience this time. People who want something tough, simple, and reliable. The biggest highlight is the built-in LED flashlight with a red light mode, which is super useful for night runs or low-light situations. You also get support for over 170 sports modes, making it perfect for everything from gym workouts to outdoor training. And Polar has improved its Precision Prime optical heart rate tracking, giving you more consistent and reliable data during workouts. So overall, this feels like a more complete and practical upgrade compared to older Polar watches. Design, build, and display. In terms of design, this is a rugged, everyday smartwatch that feels inspired by Garmin's Instinct lineup. It comes with a 45mm case, 13.8mm thickness, and weighs around 48 grams, so it's strong but still comfortable on the wrist. The build is clearly made for durability, designed to handle rough use, outdoor conditions, and intense workouts without any issues. Now, coming to the display, you get a 1.28-inch AMOLED panel with a 416 by 416 resolution. It's bright, sharp, supports touch, and also includes always-on display, which makes it feel modern and easy to use daily. Battery life. Battery is one of the strongest highlights here. In performance training mode, you get up to 43 hours with GPS. So switch to Eco Training mode and it can go up to 170 hours, which is seriously impressive. And in normal smartwatch mode, it lasts around 10 days on a single charge. So whether you're training or just using it daily, battery life is very reliable. How it compares to Garmin. Now, comparing this to Garmin, especially the Instinct series, things get interesting. Garmin still leads in advanced features, ecosystem, and overall polish. But Polar is offering most of the essential features at a much lower price. And in some areas like simplicity and practical features, it actually feels more user-friendly. So for many people, especially budget users, this might be the smarter choice. Smart features. You still get all the core features like heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, GPS, and multiple sport profiles. The UI is simple, clean, and easy to understand, which makes it great for beginners as well. It focuses more on real usability rather than overwhelming you with too many complex stats. Price. Now talking about the price, the Polar Street X is expected to be around $249. And honestly, at this price, it becomes a very strong competitor in the rugged smartwatch category. Final verdict. So, should you buy the Polar Street X? If you want a tough, reliable smartwatch with great battery life and all the essential fitness features, without spending too much, then yes, this is definitely worth it. But if you want the most advanced tracking, deeper analytics, and a premium ecosystem, Garmin is still ahead. For everyone else, this might easily be one of the best value smartwatches right now. That's it for this one. More smartwatch comparisons coming soon. See you in the next video.